So here's why, if you're shopping for a family-size SUV, you need to check out the 2022 Nissan Pathfinder. This is the top model. It's gonna come with full LED headlights, full sensors all the way around, things like forward emergency braking, blind spot warning, lane departure warning, 20-inch rims, but this is the best part. Fully leather diamond quilted seats. And then we have this nice 12-inch customizable display. It has the Nissan Pro Pilot Assist, which will help keep you centered in the lane, and you can basically take your hands off the wheel. 9-inch touchscreen with the around view monitor and the sensors there to help you when you're parking. 13 Bose audio speakers, 2 captain chairs with a removable center console right here, which you can remove with one hand. Foot activated power liftgate makes it nice and easy to put things in and out. So make sure if you're shopping for a vehicle, you go check out the 2022 Nissan Pathfinder.